Wait, Max, can I ask you something? Have you ever had a conversation in English where everything just clicked? Like you understood everything, you said the right things, and you felt like a total superstar.
Honestly, not at first. When I started learning languages, I felt like my brain was moving in slow motion while everyone else was speaking at light speed.
Exactly. But here's the secret. The best conversations aren't about speaking fast or using fancy words. They're about connecting. And today, we're going to show you the best English conversation you'll see today. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to have conversations like this yourself.
So stick around because this is gonna be fun. Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Always amazing? Max, you're making me blush.
It's true! And today we have something really special for you. We're going to teach you how to have natural, confident, and friendly conversations in English. Not boring textbook English, real English.
That's right. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to start conversations, keep them going, and end them like a native speaker. Plus, you'll sound friendly, not robotic.
And the best part? We're going to do this through real examples. You'll hear us talking naturally, and we'll break down exactly what we're doing and why it works.
So grab a pen, get comfy, and let's dive in.
Okay, Lily, let's start with the hardest part for most learners. How do you actually start a conversation in English?
Great question. A lot of people think you need something super clever or impressive to say. But honestly, the simplest greetings work best.
Exactly. So let's do a quick example. Pretend we just met at a coffee shop. I'll start. Hey, how's it going?
Oh, hey, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just grabbing some coffee before work. You come here often?
Yeah, actually, they make the best lattes here.
See, that's it. That's a perfect conversation starter. Nothing fancy, just friendly and natural.
Right. So let's break that down for our listeners. Max started with, how's it going? This is super common and relaxed. You can also say, how are you? Or what's up?
And notice, I didn't just say, I'm fine. I said, not bad, not bad. That sounds more natural and conversational. You can also say, I'm doing well, pretty good, or can't complain.
Then Max asked, you come here often? This is a great way to keep the conversation going. You're showing interest in the other person.
Exactly. And here's a tip. When someone asks you a question, answer it, then ask something back. This keeps the conversation flowing.
Yes. So when Max asked if I come here often, I said, yeah, they make the best lattes here. Then I could ask him, do you have a favorite drink? See how that works?
Perfect. Okay, listeners, your turn. Imagine you meet someone new. Try saying this out loud. Hey, how's it going?
Go ahead, pause the video and say it. We'll wait.
Did you do it? Great. Now let's move to the next part.
So starting a conversation is step one, but how do you keep it going? This is where a lot of learners get stuck.
True. They start strong, but then awkward silence.
Exactly. So the secret is asking open questions and showing interest. Let me give you an example. Max, what did you do last weekend?
Oh, nice question. Last weekend, I went hiking with some friends. It was beautiful, but exhausting. Have you ever been hiking?
A few times. I love it, but my legs always hurt the next day. Where did you go?
We went to this trail up in the mountains. The view at the top was incredible, totally worth the pain.
That sounds amazing. I need to do that more often.
Okay, stop. Let's analyze that. Did you notice what happened?
I asked an open question. What did you do last weekend? Not a yes or no question. This gives you more to talk about.
And when I answered, I added details. I didn't just say, I went hiking. I said, it was beautiful but exhausting. That gave Lily something to respond to.
Right. Then I related to it by saying my legs always hurt. This is called finding common ground. It makes the conversation feel friendly and connected.
And notice, we kept asking each other questions. Have you ever been hiking? Where did you go? This is the ping pong of conversation, back and forth, back and forth.
Exactly. So here's your practice. Think about this question. What did you do last weekend? Now answer it out loud with some details, not just, I stayed home. Say something like, I stayed home and watched a great movie. It was so relaxing.
Try it now. Add details. Make it interesting.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar. Just speak naturally and keep it simple.
Okay, hold on. Before we continue, I want to ask you something important. Are you actually practicing out loud, or are you just listening?
Be honest.
Because here's the thing. Most English learners make this mistake. They listen to lessons, they understand everything, but they never practice speaking.
And then, when they try to have a real conversation, they freeze. Their brain knows the words, but their mouth doesn't.
Exactly. So if you haven't been saying things out loud, start now. Seriously. Pause the video, repeat after us, and practice. That's how you get confident.
Okay, let's keep going. We're going to show you how to end a conversation smoothly, because this is just as important as starting one.
All right, so you've started a great conversation. You've kept it going, but now you need to leave. How do you do that without being rude?
This is so important. A lot of learners just say bye and walk away, but there are much better ways.
Let's do an example. Pretend we're at a party and I need to go. Here we go. Well, Lily, it's been really nice talking to you.
Oh, same here. I had a great time.
I should probably get going, but let's stay in touch.
Definitely. Do you have Instagram or something?
Yeah, I'll send you my handle. Take care.
You too. See you around.
Perfect. See how smooth that was?
Yes. So let's break it down. Max started with, it's been really nice talking to you. This is polite and warm. You're showing that you enjoyed the conversation.
Then I said, I should probably get going. This is a gentle way to say you need to leave. You can also say, I need to head out, or I have to run.
And then Max suggested staying in touch. This keeps the door open for future conversations. You could say, let's hang out sometime, or we should do this again.
And finally, we ended with, take care and see you around. These are friendly, casual ways to say goodbye. You can also say, see you later, catch you later, or just bye, have a good one.
The key is to be warm and positive. Don't just disappear. Give the conversation a nice ending.
Exactly. Now, listeners, imagine you're ending a conversation with a new friend. Try saying this. It's been really nice talking to you. I should get going, but let's stay in touch.
Say it out loud. Practice makes perfect.
Okay, so we've covered starting, keeping, and ending conversations. But now let's talk about the little phrases that make you sound fluent.
Oh, I love this part. These are the secret ingredients.
Exactly. So, Lily, what's one phrase you use all the time?
Probably, you know what I mean? I use this when I want to check if the other person understands me.
Yes, that's a great one. Like, I love coffee, but too much makes me jittery. You know what I mean?
Exactly. It makes the conversation feel interactive. What about you, Max? What's your go-to phrase?
I'd say, to be honest, I use this when I'm sharing my real opinion. Like, to be honest, I'm not a huge fan of action movies.
Ooh, good one. That sounds super natural. Okay, let's give our listeners a list of phrases they can use.
Sounds good. Here we go. Number 1. That makes sense. Use this when you understand what someone said.
Number 2, I see what you mean. Similar to that makes sense, but a bit more thoughtful.
Number 3, fair enough. This means you accept someone's point even if you don't fully agree.
Number 4, no way. This shows surprise or disbelief, like, no way, you met a celebrity?
Yes. Number 5, that's awesome, or that's amazing. Use these to show excitement or support.
Number 6, I can't believe it. Another way to show surprise.
Number 7, tell me about it. This means I totally agree, or I know exactly what you mean.
Number 8, by the way. Use this to change the topic or add something extra, like, by the way, did you see that new restaurant downtown?
Number 9, anyway. This helps you move on from a topic, like, anyway, let's talk about something else.
And number 10, for sure. This is a casual way to say definitely.
These phrases are gold. Use them in your conversations and you'll sound so much more natural.
Okay, listeners, pick 3 of these phrases and practice using them. Say them out loud right now.
All right, it's time for a fun challenge. We're going to give you a scenario and you're going to practice responding. Ready?
Let's do it. Okay, here's the scenario. You're at a cafe and someone sits next to you and says, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
What do you say? Pause and answer out loud.
Okay, here's a good answer. No, go ahead. Feel free to sit.
Perfect. Or you could say, nope, it's all yours.
Nice. Okay, next scenario. Your coworker asks, "How was your weekend?"
What do you say? Remember, add details.
Good answer. It was great. I went to the beach with some friends. How about you?
Excellent. See how easy that is?
One more scenario. You're ending a conversation with someone and you want to be polite. What do you say?
Try this. It was really nice talking to you. Let's catch up again soon. Take care.
Beautiful. You're getting the hang of this.
Before we wrap up, I want to share one more secret with you. Stay till the end because we have a bonus tip that will make your conversations even better.
Trust us, you don't want to miss this.
All right, let's quickly recap everything we learned today. First, how do you start a conversation?
Use simple, friendly greetings like "How's it going?" or "What's up?" Don't overthink it.
Second, how do you keep a conversation going?
Ask open questions, add details when you answer, and find common ground. Keep it like a ping pong game.
Third, how do you end a conversation politely?
Say something nice like "It's been great talking to you," then say you need to go, and finish with "Take care" or "See you around."
Fourth, what are some phrases that make you sound natural?
Things like "That makes sense," "No way," "For sure," "By the way," and "Tell me about it."
And finally, what's the most important tip?
Practice out loud. Don't just listen, speak.
Exactly. Your mouth needs to learn the words, not just your brain.
Okay, here's the bonus tip we promised. If you want to sound super fluent, use something called conversation fillers.
Ooh, yes. These are little words or sounds native speakers use while they're thinking. Like, well, let me think, or you know.
Exactly. For example, if someone asked, "What's your favorite food?" instead of jumping straight to the answer, you could say, let me think. I'd probably say pizza.
This makes you sound more natural and relaxed. Just don't overuse them.
Right. A few fillers are good. Too many and you'll sound unsure.
Perfect balance is key.
You know what, Max? I'm so proud of everyone listening right now. Learning English isn't easy, but you're doing it.
Absolutely. And remember, every conversation you have is practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Exactly. So here's what we want you to do. In the comments below, tell us one phrase from today that you're going to use in your next conversation.
Yeah, write it down, commit to it, and then actually use it.
And if you found this episode helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning English. Let's help each other grow.
Also, make sure you subscribe to Mr. Englishman so you don't miss our next episode. Next time, we're going to show you how to handle difficult conversations in English, like when you need to disagree politely or ask for help.
Ooh, that's a good one. You won't want to miss it.
So, until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you're doing amazing.
Take care, everyone.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.